So if you want to get a fire alarm, you're going to have to be licensed by the state that you're in. I'm not sure what the requirements are for any other state, but I know in New York, you have to be licensed to install fire alarm and security systems in the state of New York. So some of the things you're going to need in order to get licensed is, first thing you're going to need, you're going to have to take a class with the Metropolitan Fire and Burglar Alarm Association. There, it will be an 81-hour course that you will have to take. Within this course, you'll learn about fire alarm systems, camera systems, burglar alarm systems, and also card access systems. There may also be a person there to get your fingerprint done, because you're going to need to be able to get your fingerprints. If not, then you have to go to your local police department to get yourself fingerprint, fill out that application. You're also going to need the fire alarm application. You should get those 3 things while you're in class, and you also have to pay for that class. Once you pass the class, you'll get certificates for those classes that you took. You will then take those certificates along with the application and the fingerprint, and then you can send that to the state. You're not licensed at that time, but then they will have your information, so that way when you take the state exam and you pass the state exam, then you will be able to get yourself licensed. So that is how you get yourself licensed as a fire alarm company. And within this industry, you really don't need no experience, because one thing I learned about business is all you have to do is hire people that are smarter than you. So take the class from the Metropolitan Fire Alarm Burglar Alarm Association, get all the paperwork, get your processing fee, pay your fees, take the state exam, submit your paperwork, and wait to get approved. I'm Taurus the General. If you want to learn how to set up your business, let me know in the comments. Peace.